Hey y'all, Tom at Buxton Auto. As y'all know, I own a used car lot. We're forever going to look at cars that have dead batteries. I'm lugging this big ass jump box around, and I got a cheaper, nastier one in my car that my wife has, so that if we're out buying cars, we can get the cars jumped off and started. And of course, half the time they have flat tires. So, did I get lucky here? My friends at Andaman sent me a jump box that has an air compressor. I just got it. Let's unpack it. All right, so I want to show you what came in the box. Yes, I opened it first to look so I could make sure I was knowledgeable. But this is exactly what they sent me and how they sent it. So on your left side, you have this little flap here with the netting, and these are the chargers. They just plug into the end of the box. They got all these little adapters for if you're inflating a basketball or a toy or whatever. And then you got your air hose for cars, tires, whatever. Has this little rubber line here to make it easier to grab, but I'll be honest, I took it off. And then you have your USB-C charging cable, which is great because they work with iPhones and everything that's new these days. So I don't even have to use this because I have an iPhone charger in my car and I have an iPhone charger at my office here. Now the unit itself, pretty substantial. When I got it from Amazon, it actually came like fully charged, which was crazy. So it does air compressor, and you can switch between what you're filling up, and it has some pre-populated things. Like a basketball, it's going to put 7.5. Car tires, 36 PSI. So it sets to that, and it will run until it reaches 35 PSI. So literally, I used this the other day. I plugged it in, and I just walked away. I came back, and it was shut off, and the tire was inflated. Down here on this end here, guys, this little small one is where you plug in your charger to jump the cars. This one right here, the little USB-C, is to charge the device itself. And then you got two USB ports. And not that anybody reads it, comes with some directions. So that's what's in the box. I've got some footage. I already have gone out and used it a few times. And let me show you some of the things that we got done with it. It's really a great product, guys, and not just because they gave me a free one. All right, so it's the little Andaman. Got my attachment on here. Just clamps on. We're going to switch modes here to car. Sorry, I'm slow. And here we go. Hey, I'd like to take a minute and talk about a jump box that we recently came across. It's the video sponsor today. This is Andaman. It is a lightweight portable jump box. It does your car. Idiot proof. Plug her in. Turn her on. She's ready to roll. Put this on the battery. I'm going to show you later, but we've used this thing throughout the lot, jumping off some cars. It works great. Also, if you got a flat tire, it comes with an attachment. We have cars here all the time that have flat tires, and we don't want to go back to the shop, get the big tank. We just take this little air pump out here, and check this out. It's got settings for if you're doing your bicycle, a basketball or a soccer ball, if you're doing a car, if you're doing a motorcycle. You pick your selection, and you hit your button. And it'll fill your tire. I'll show you in a minute because my car is almost out of flat tire. Check this out. Power it up. Or the jump box portion, but this is great. All right, so while filming my video about taking off window tint, I left the ignition running, or on. Luckily, I have my jump box. Let's jump this car. So I hooked her up. Once you get a connection, you'll get a solid green. So you're ready to jump. Let's see if it does. All right, I never charged this endorsement charger. This is how full the battery came when I got it. So let's see what happens. Check that out. Started right out. Perfect. You know what else is nice is with the USB charger, I don't have to have an extra charger. I just use the charger off my Mac or my iPhone, plug it right in, and she charges up fast. I'm telling y'all, there's lots of these on the market, but this is a great little machine. You should look into it. Man, it has taken me about 5 tries to record this video, but I just got to tell y'all, and yes, they sent me this as a promotional item, but this past week, I have used the hell out of this endorsement jump box. Nice case, nice unit. Again, features, obviously, you just plug the jump cables in, you jump your car. You plug a hose in, you can set it for a vehicle. It's got presets, like on a car, it's 35 PSI. You press the button, you walk away. When it gets to that 35, she shuts right off. You're doing this at night, hard to see, got a little light. Comes with a nice case. I've got this one here for me. I'm ordering another one for my wife's car because they're so convenient. Inside your jump cables, your hose, connectors for basketballs and fun stuff like that, and of course a USB-C for charging. What I like about this is being USB-C now, I don't have to carry around extra cables to take care of this. If I need to charge this up in my car, I can use my iPhone charger. I'm doing it here at work. I got an iPhone charger right on the desk, USB-C. It's a great product. I'm really impressed with it, with this unit. I would recommend it, and it's not just because they sent me one. I'm going to buy another one. My affiliate link below, hit that button, you'll get a special price. I'll probably get a nickel out of it or something like that, but this is a good product. I don't think you'd be disappointed. If you're buying cars, selling cars, flipping cars, always going to look at cars, I jumped 2 right off the bat with this before it had ever been charged, and it worked just great. So I'm sure it'll be a good product for you too. Thanks for watching, y'all. I'll see you next time.